What's up, guys? So today I just wanted to share a couple new REVO knives. These are two models that I've used before. These are just different versions of them. So on the bottom we have a Ness Orange Rev 2. I do like the new packaging, by the way. Last time I got a REVO knife, it was a little bit different box. I do like the little slide thing going on here. So super cool. There's a huge kind of, overall it's got kind of a Nesmuk type design, although it's a folder. But it is very comfortable, which it doesn't really look like it from the handle. But I love that nice bright orange scales in this one. All right, of course that kind of, I don't even want to say black wash, it's more of a dark gray. A really, really nice finish on this one. Of course on the blade, you can see there, this one's in D2. Super sharp out of the box, but just really nice with that, the new orange. And on top, which is super exciting, is this is a Warden, which I have actually two of them. But this one is offered in Tanto now. All right, so we have very cool gray scales on here. REVO Warden, all right? This one is assisted. And we have a nice, fine, see the blade tapers down into this Tanto blade. But I just like the grind lines on this. It is cool that it kind of tapers down quite a bit. And we have our little short secondary tip there. These are fantastic, of course, for, if you're scraping decals off a glass or something like that. But a lot of people like using that secondary tip to rip through boxes as well. I don't want to cut this box. Hold on, let me grab some cardboard so I can show what I'm talking about. All right, so suppose this is your package you're opening or something. Instead of coming down and using just the tip to open, which of course you can, a lot of people like on these Tantos, at least myself, is use that secondary tip. What that really does for you is when you're opening a package, I'll use these boxes. Let's go right in the middle. Let's see. Let's go just like this. I'm going to make sure they're really separate so I don't cut into them. But let's say I'm opening a package here. Instead of using the tip to come in and open the package, using that secondary tip allows me to have a little more control and I don't cut too far into the package, because using just the tip as I'm coming by, I can actually stab all the way through it and then obviously, cut into or damage the contents of the box. But if you just use that secondary point, all right, just pierce it a little bit. Once it's in the box, just drag it across, you're golden. A lot of times you're not even cutting through cardboard. You're cutting through, the tape line in between folded cardboard. You know what I'm saying? So you have your package, the top's just taped, so you're not really cutting through the cardboard itself. You're just kind of cutting through the tape. It doesn't take much of a cut to begin with. But anyway, yeah, that's what a lot of you guys are doing with your knives. You're just opening boxes full of more knives and gear. And no shame in that, right? But I do like the secondary point quite a bit on Tantos, specifically for that reason. Anyway, just wanted to share these two with you guys. Just awesome stuff. If you haven't checked out REVO Knives in general, it's definitely worth looking at. Sister brand to BRS or Blade Runner Systems, just making some awesome stuff out there. Very budget friendly as well. The Warden is well under $100. I believe this one is probably maybe closer to 100, but still under at most dealers. So anyway, worth checking out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Let me know down in the comment section if you happen to EDC a REVO knife. If so, which one? And tell everyone how you like it. So see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.